Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to remove threads from Instagram bio, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove threads from Instagram bio, first open up your Instagram app. And after opening your Instagram app, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon in a small circle. Tap on it at the bottom right. And over here, guys, you can see the edit profile option available for us just beside the share profile. Tap on that edit profile at the middle section of the screen. And now guys, in order to remove your threads from the Instagram bio, before we proceed guys, do make sure to subscribe and like to my channel, because 99% of the person who view these videos don't do that, and it gives me a lot of support guys if you like it and subscribe. And with that being said guys, let's scroll down from over here, and here it says the show threads badge. Now in order to remove threads from Instagram bio, let's tap on the toggle icon at the right side of that option, and when it turns to gray, the threads will be removed from your Instagram bio. And let's go back, and you can see guys, the threads badge has been removed, or the threads has been removed from the Instagram. And there guys, this is how to remove threads from Instagram bio. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.